Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve webcam keeps turning off on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type device manager. Open it guys. Expand the universal serial bus controller section, and in here everything you just want to right click on it and select properties and select power management tab and select uncheck the box allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You just want to uncheck this for everything listed under universal serial bus controller in here guys. The same thing you want to do it for everyone in here. Uncheck it and select OK. Uncheck it, go to properties and power management tab and uncheck the box and select OK. The same thing for everything here guys. After doing it, close out of here. You just need to search for camera. Opens up camera guys. You just need to select app setting, select it. Opens up, wait for it. You just need to scroll down guys, and here we get if this app isn't working right, reset it, the app's data will be deleted. Click on this reset option and select reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device including your preferences and sign in details. Select reset guys. After getting done, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved at this point. Give me the command, let me know this working or not. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.